You already know, day 51. We out here with it, trying to get this 100 push-ups in. You see the lightning in the background? We're gonna get this work today. I'm pumped up today. Let's go ahead and get it. Can't forget 3 things in life. Always thank God. Never turn down a favor or a challenge. Definitely don't forget to do these motherfucking push-ups, or else you gotta do them twice. And we about to do them right now. 30 straight. 30 straight, 30, 30. We'll get back. 30 straight. We got 70 more to go. We got 70 more to go. 3 more sets. Hope y'all had a great weekend. Hope y'all had a great weekend. Consistency, discipline, and perseverance. Always those 3 gonna get you a long way. I'm sore as fuck. My triceps, my biceps, or my chest and my obliques right now are sore. But, alright. Let's get at least 20. Not more, we at 50. We is sore today. I think we're really sore from doing that 200. When we do it, I think it was on Friday, no, on Saturday. 2. That's 50. We halfway there. We halfway there. We halfway there. Hope y'all doing y'all push-ups out there. I hope y'all doing y'all 10, your 20, your 5, whatever. Like I say, do the same thing each and every day until you master it. It's the only way you're gonna get better. The only way you're gonna progress in life. Can't worry about what anybody else is doing. Can't worry about what I'm doing. Go at your own rate. Go at your own rate. Go at your own pace. Do what you can do to the best of your abilities. We got this. We got this. It's crazy. I ain't been this sore since maybe since the 3rd day. Since day 3. We had day 51. We had day 51. soreness is real. The soreness is real. Whoever said you can't get a good workout doing push-ups, lied. They lied to you. Where we at? You got 10 more. Gotta keep that in mind before I forget. We got 10 more to go for this set. Trying to get them 10 straight. $25 more. We out of here. 25 more, we out of here. Remember, your mission, your goal, your destination is more important than any side quest you gotta do. There's gonna be people and things in this life that they're gonna distract you from, right? That's what life does. They throw obstacles in your way, right? Side quests in your way to see if you really meant what you said you was gonna do. Do not let them distract you. Do not let those things distract you. Trust me. All you're doing is taking in poison. If they ain't in your lane, not in your path, and they're not walking or running right beside you, it ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. Trust me. People gonna point and laugh at what you do. They don't talk behind your back. They're gonna whisper in the distance. But at the end of the day, fuck them. Keep going to work. Keep digging that hole. Keep chopping that axe. Or chopping that tree. Keep doing your damn push-ups. Ten more. A little bit sore. A little soreness ain't gonna stop nobody. The monkey ain't gonna stop no show. Let's go. There's 100. Y'all have a great day.